Solana is one of the largest cryptos by market cap, currently at over $110 billion valuation, and it's been growing very rapidly in terms of market cap, in terms of usage, and it's by far one of the most used projects for launching meme coins. We've seen that there's been over 4,100 new tokens per day since mid-August of 2025, and there's been as many as 20,000 tokens launched on single days over the last year. In terms of TVL, Solana is currently at over $11 billion, and it's been consistently growing, outperforming nearly every single project out there. And if we're looking at it, I've been investing in a project that recently just had a Solana hard fork called Banana. And Banana has been going crazy over the last couple of days. It only launched a few weeks ago, and we've already seen some of the biggest names in the Solana ecosystem talk about it. We have seen that Solana Daily posted about this, said Banana Chain XYZ is pushing Solana's limits with their new validator tech. We also saw that one of the co-founders of Solana, Tolly, he posted about this as well, and he had some major support for what Banana Chain is doing. So seeing that a co-founder of Solana and Solana Daily have posted and supported this project and follow this project makes me really excited, because Banana is only at a $2 million market cap. I currently own right now around 2.7 million tokens, which at the current price, if we look, is currently worth right around $6,500. So this is a project I think is extremely undervalued, and you guys can see that I own it personally. So this is a project that, if we look at some of the details, it's doing something pretty interesting. So Banana Chain is Solana fork for memes. It says a meme-powered blockchain built on Solana's proven architecture, and the cool thing about this project is that the network is going to be able to process 65,000 transactions per second, have a slot time of 400 milliseconds. Transaction costs are extremely low, and uptime is going to be at 99.9%. If we're looking at some of the details on their white paper, the reason why someone would use Banana Chain versus using Solana is because Banana Chain is a specialized fork of the Solana blockchain, purpose-built for memes, fun, and games. And like I said earlier, Solana's blockchain is known for having meme coins. It has seen 20,000 projects launched on single days at points in time, and they said that they leverage battle-tested infrastructure of major stable Solana validators like Agave and Firedancer to create a playground for experimentation and entertainment. And the cool thing about this project is that it's specifically designed for fun, games, and memes, and they're like a perfect testing ground. They're built for fun, and the cool thing is that it's great for developers who want to be able to launch projects and test things out for much cheaper than launching on like Solana and launching on mainnet. So that's something that is really cool. In terms of some other benefits, if we scroll down a little bit, they are going to be having an entire ecosystem for the meme coin space. So right now, like I mentioned earlier, they had recently had that hard fork where you can see they talk all about it over on X. But in terms of development moving forward, in terms of their ecosystem, they're going to have Banana Swap, Banana Bridge, Banana Wallet, and Banana Validator. On top of this, they're also going to have staking, Banana DEX, Monkey NFTs, and Monkey Circus. So this is going to be able to help the entire project grow and expand. Right now they're just in the early phases. They already completed phase 1. Now they're currently in phase 2, which is just having released Banana Chain testnet, have global marketing, continue to build a community, and then we'll get into phase 3, 4, and 5, where you start to see some real utility in the ecosystem go live. So the cool thing about this project, like I said, is just the other day we saw that they had successfully undergone a few major developments, and that is that the Alpenglow fork by Banana Chain was officially live, and that's what we saw how Solana Daily posted about it. So in this, they talk about how they've successfully tested it on a single node and achieved 10,000 transactions per second. Now it's time for the users to try out this validator version before it goes fully live on Solana. You can check out the RPC and check out the documents as well. This is also where we saw Tolly the co-founder of Solana post and talk about Banana Chain as well. They posted saying we achieved 10,000 transactions per second on a single low-spec node for Alpenglow. And it says you can try it too. And Tolly commented on this himself and said, nice, what's the overhead per node with all-to-all? Have you tried to measure it with induced partitions, like use TC to force packet drops and packet delays? So they're getting a lot more technical, but you'd like to see this back and forth, and I love to see that Tolly has followed them, and he is like the co-founder of Solana. So once we saw Tolly repost this, once we saw Solana Daily talk about this, this project went up significantly in value. Earlier, you saw it increase dramatically from right around 0.001 to at its highest at over, if we scroll down, 0.0035. In terms of technicals right now, you love to see that it only launched a few weeks ago, but has been consistently forming new supports along the way and breaking through previous resistances. Like we saw this strong support at 0.0009 and had retested this a few times before, rallying and breaking through that next level of support, which is at 0.0015. Now it's above that previous all-time high we saw in late August, and as long as it's able to hold above this on, like the 4-hour charts, I'm expecting it to start to rally towards that $10 million market cap, because right now it's only at $2 million, but this is usually a crucial milestone for meme coins, is that you want to see them be able to hold and break above that $2 million market cap. And if they do, it's very, very bullish for them long term. So right now, Banana Chain is a project that I own. You could see that in my wallet, I own right around 2.755 million, which is worth right at $6,400. I think this project can easily reach a $100 million market cap, and I really don't plan on selling anything until it hits around that milestone. So I'll keep you guys updated on this project as they continue to grow and as they roll out new products in their ecosystem, but it's something that I am extremely bullish on long term, especially seeing support from Tolly, seeing that he follows them, and seeing how Solana Daily has also been posting about them as well. So now that they've successfully have this Alpenglow fork live, I think we're going to see more and more people come to the project, start using it, and right now they already have over 1,000 followers in just a very short period of time. So it's a project that you definitely don't want to miss out on.